Maquinarias Apolo is a company dedicated to manufacturing high-quality tools for the woodworking industry. The collection of eucalyptus for the production of handles for pickaxes, shovels, and hoe blades is a key process in the manufacture of these tools. To begin, eucalyptus trees with suitable characteristics for use in handle manufacturing must be identified and selected. This includes factors such as the age of the tree, the diameter and straightness of the trunk, and the quality of the wood. Once the appropriate trees have been selected, the trunks are felled and cut into sections of suitable size for handle manufacturing. These sections are transported to a factory or specialized workshop for the production of tool handles, where the cutting, carving, and shaping process is carried out to form the handle. Among our tools, we highlight our specialized tool lathe for the production of handles for hoe, pickaxe, shovel, chisel, hammer, axe, and saw. This tool lathe allows for the production of hoe handles with great precision and speed, resulting in increased production in less time and with less physical effort. The manufacturing process is simple and intuitive, enabling any operator to produce hoe handles with professional finishes. Do you need to quickly and efficiently produce tool handles for picks, shovels, adzes, mallets, axes, and saws? At Maquinarias Apolo, we offer a high-quality and precise solution, the copying lathe. Our team of tool manufacturing experts uses advanced technology to ensure the creation of accurate and uniform copies of any existing tool handle model. But that's not all. We also offer a highly competitive price without sacrificing quality. With our experience in tool handle manufacturing, we know exactly how to create high-quality products without compromising our clients' budget. And with shipping available worldwide and throughout Peru, it's easy to get the copying lathe from Maquinarias Apolo. Contact us today for more information on how we can help improve your production process.